Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm right now in Dubai from past 4 to 5 days for a small vacation with my family, and tomorrow I'll be returning back to India. And during this vacation, I saw a lot of things like recently Google had announced about 12,000 people getting laid off, and then after that, you know, there were so many LinkedIn posts from different background people getting laid off with respect to that Google, and many people talk about different reasons, excessive hiring during pandemic or because of chat GPT, or it can be different things, and the real reason obviously the company will know about it, uh, and before that also a lot of FANG companies had also laid off many employees. Now we mostly know the news with respect to FANG, but there are many companies which has actually laid off recently. Even my friends who are in USA working in other companies, they were also getting laid off with respect to work because probably the product or the department that they were working was not able to do properly well. um, so with respect to this, I got a lot of messages understanding the situation. Even spoke to them in LinkedIn. I did not speak to them, but I chatted with them in LinkedIn. Uh, and many people will talk about this with respect to recession. Uh, yeah, it may happen. Recession may come probably, in this upcoming months, because we only know the news with respect to FANG companies, but there's still more companies out there. And since we say FANG, right, because people trust FANG a lot, there are big companies over there, and if they are laying off, obviously the other companies may also lay off, because it some of the other reasons. I don't really want to talk about the reasons. It can be many as such, right? Now during this scenario, what you all should do, right? uh, one request to everyone, if somebody is coming out for referrals, or if somebody's posting saying that, you know we have got recently laid off, we are open to work. If you have anything with respect to yourself, like any referrals, anything, right, please do help out, as much as possible. uh, because that I see, yesterday, day before yesterday, I got a lot of messages from people saying that, "Krish, if there is something, let us know." And I have also sent a couple of referrals to my contacts who knows me. um, and obviously that will work out or not, we'll get to know after a week or time. But this is a request for everyone, please try to do that. you know the second thing is that, at the end of the day, right, some positive things that came out from the post from which people were getting laid off, saying that, and it was not like that the person was just a fresher, or they were people who were working from past 7 to 8 years in Google, and then they got laid off. And there are also some people who just joined recently and they also got laid off. So this kind of both the scenarios were there, but the positive statement that people, when they were posting, right, they were just saying that, yeah, nah, it's fine, things will go on. They have learned a lot of things from the company. Now this is super important to understand, because the second point is all about that. You really need to focus on your skill sets. Try to focus more and more on the skill sets. Skill sets is important. um, See, now we cannot we cannot just predict that every company is going to do fine. you know Nothing is permanent, in short. uh, Anybody can get laid off with respect to the performance that they are doing. In 2013, I also had that kind of scenario. The kind of work pressure that I had, the kind of performance when you start as a fresher, when I started, had no idea about how the industry works. At that point of time, I also used to think that next month I may also get laid off or fired, even fired. I'm talking about fired because based on performance and all, right? But I was lucky enough, I did not get that kind of I did not see that kind of scenario. So focus more on your skill sets. If you're good at something, companies are still looking to hire people who are very good in something, right? You're good at anything, be the best. Try to always improve, keep on improving that. you know Focus on your skill sets. Trust me, if you're getting laid off from somewhere, you will also get hired from somewhere, because there are also many companies who are hiring too, right? I've heard a lot of people getting placed here or there. uh, with respect to different technology. I'm saying, talking about full stack web development, DevOps, data science, big data, many. I've actually seen a lot of recently, and that too actually talking about, right? So there are a lot of hiring also that is going on. Focus on your skill sets to improve it. Third thing is that always make sure that you have good amount of savings. Saving is important to handle this kind of situation. I've already told in my previous video, saving is super important. Please make sure that you have good amount of savings so that you can take care of your family, you can take care of yourself, you know. And one positive statement that I really want to give is that this time shall pass too, right? So whatever's good or bad things comes in our life, it will definitely pass, okay? It is not going to remain permanent. So cheer up, okay? I'd also suggest, if some of your friends who have faced this kind of situation recently, talk to them, motivate them, you know, uh, hang out with them if possible, and yeah, that is the thing that you can do to cheer them up, like couple of friends couple of months back who were in US, right? I spoke with them. They were laid off in with respect to jobs. um, and probably the reason also they said that that specific department was not working well. It was not able to generate much revenue as predicted or as forecasted, so a super important message: tough time comes, it will pass off. Please focus on the things that you can learn today and what learning outcomes you are able to do it. So yeah, this was it from my side. I will see you all in the next video. uh, Bye bye, take care. And yeah, I just feel bad about that, can't help. Nothing is in everybody's hand. Anything can happen. There are some things, right, you cannot stop it, right? So yeah, this time shall pass. This situation will also pass off. Please make sure that you keep yourself cheered up, motivated. There are a lot of opportunities still, okay? And one more important thing that I really want to say: please focus on other companies also. I know some people who are from IITs and ITs and all, right? They have an aim to get into the FANG companies, right? So not only that, there are other amazing companies, amazing startups. Try to also give them some importance. If you're getting some opportunities there also, go for it, okay? I know your love with FANG is super amazing, but try to focus on other companies also. So yes, this was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, Wanda. Bye bye, take care.